1. Nile River, 6,650 kilometers, 430 miles. Location, northeastern Africa countries, Uganda, South Sudan, Sudan, Egypt, flows into Mediterranean Sea. 2. Amazon River, 6,400 kilometers, 3,980 miles. Location, South America countries, Peru, Colombia, Brazil, flows into Atlantic Ocean. Fun fact, largest by water volume in the world. 3. Yangtze River, Changjiang, forms 6,300 kilometers, 3,917 miles. Location, China longest river in Asia, flows into East China Sea. 4. Mississippi-Missouri River System, 6,675 kilometers, 3,902 miles. Location, USA combination of Mississippi plus Missouri rivers, flows into Gulf of Mexico. 5. Yenisei River, 5,539 kilometers, 3,445 miles. Location, Mongolia and Russia, flows into Arctic Ocean. 6. Yellow River, Huanghe, 5,464 kilometers, 3,395 miles. Location, China, known as the cradle of Chinese civilization, flows into Bohai Sea. 7. Obertish River, 5,410 kilometers, 3,364 miles. Location, Russia, Kazakhstan, China, flows into Arctic Ocean. 8. Paraná River, 4,280 kilometers, 3,030 miles. Location, Brazil, Paraguay, Argentina, flows into Atlantic Ocean. 9. Congo River, 4,700 kilometers, 2,120 miles. Location, Central Africa, deepest river in the world, flows into Atlantic Ocean. 10. Amur River, 4,444 kilometers, 2,163 miles. Location, Russia-China border, flows into Pacific Ocean.